right, y'all, and just like that, everything's together. I just plumbed up some flex gas line and stuff like that because the place that I need to go to, they're closed on Fridays, but I end up changing that out and putting another flex copper line in, the appropriate fittings and all of that stuff. But I do have air. I just went ahead and rewired everything because I didn't like how everything was done previously. A lot of the wires were frayed, so on and so forth. I don't know if you could tell, like on this one right here, a lot of the wires were cut, stuff was frayed, so just went ahead and redid that. But I do have air compressors on. If I let a little air out, it'll kick on, just like that. Compressors on, compressors working. I was draining some of the air out of it to get it to kick on, but no leaks. I got it plumbed up with some gas line or whatever. Yeah, I know I'm not supposed to do that, but you know, the place that I need to go to get another replacement copper line and some fittings are closed today, so everything's good to go. I got to put the cover. I got to put the cover back over the motor and the pump. That way, if anything goes to flying or whatever, I don't have to worry about anything getting damaged. I'll grease the motor, that Zerk fitting right there, wipe some stuff down. I see why I have a little leak right here, a little oil leak. But other than that, everything seems to be in order. I'm gonna go ahead and drain it down just a little bit, just so I can hear it kick on. Hear it kick on. Woo! Let's go, baby! So everything running good, baby. Compressor done kicked on. Got a little leak right there, but that's all right. It's gonna build pressure like it's supposed to. And I'll tidy up these wires, some electrical tape, so on and so forth. These set of wires right here, this set of wires right here. I'll place another clamp, replacement clamp for the outside right here. I just need another screw. So yeah, everything's good. Everything's bolted down, tightened up. There it is. It shuts off right at 175 PSI. Hey man, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So I still have these two tanks right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take whatever else I need off of this one and toss it, and take the motor and pump off of this one, and see if underneath is pretty good. If it is, then I'll clean it up, paint it, and go from there. But until next time, people. Until next time. So yeah, I'll get another copper line. The place that I go to is closed today, and some fittings, and replace this, you know, from right here on up. That because this flex line actually moves. It's stainless steel, but it's for gas. I just wanted to hear it come on today, so be honest with you. So I'll get another line, tighten up the wires and stuff like that. But till next time, people, peace.